How to fix Instagram story music not working on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First, open settings, this one for Android phones. Go to apps again, type here Instagram, click on it, then click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. And just turn off your Wi-Fi, restart your phone, open Instagram and turn it on again, and that's it. And if you have an iOS, just open App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. And if you can't find your update, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. You will need to log in again, but that will fix your problem. And that's it. Please don't forget to like and to subscribe, and see you in the next video.